Hi, welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles. A couple of weeks ago, we unboxed and took a closer look at this Suzuki Jimny by BM Creations, and in its box came with these accessories. Okay, has some spare tires on it. Okay, so come join me as we put these accessories on this Suzuki Jimny.
PJM Collectibles.
Okay, to start it off, if you haven't caught our video of this Suzuki Jimny as we unboxed that one, here's a link will be provided down below. And as I've said, this model came with accessories. There's some tires on it, okay, and some other accessories inside a pouch. So we will take a closer look. There they are. Okay, got some wheels. Okay, has an extra off-road roll bar with a LED lamp. Okay, and some tube bumpers, got front and rear. Okay, there you have it, and some screws, okay, to make the model have a certain lift, some small license plates with a Jimny on it. Okay, so to start it off, well, if you're new to the channel, okay, I prefer wheels will have no markings on it. So, but this one came with the BM Creations markings with 4x4. Okay, this can easily be remedied by just pushing the wheel outside of the rubber threaded tires. Okay, just like so. And just turn him around. Okay, so they push it. Okay. So there you have it. Okay, I already did some of it earlier. Okay, oh, okay, there's another one. Okay, just push them slowly and just turn them around. Well, it's up to you if you prefer the ones with the markings or not. Well, for me, I like them without markings. Okay, so now you have the wheels already done. Okay, we'll set accessories aside. Okay, and now, as I've mentioned in my previous video, this model, okay, the white soft top can be removed. Okay, made out of plastic. Okay, can be removed. Okay, to give the Jimny a different look, an off-road look. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, now we're going to put the wheels. Okay, oh, rather, first of all, we're going to try this roof rack. Okay, an external roof rack with, I think this is like a off-road bull bar. Okay, roll cage rather. Okay, but first, okay, need to remove the spare tires. Can easily be removed by just twisting them. Okay, now it's removed. And also the rear seat can be removed easily. Okay, so it will have a cleaner look, and you just place this roll bar or the roll cage there. Okay, just place it on top. Also came on the package are these small adhesive strips. Okay, you could use them to place the accessories. Okay, set them. Anyway, I won't be using them because I prefer the Jimny not to have this roll cage, but rather only the tires. Okay, I think I'm going to change this one. Okay, talking about the tires. Okay, don't know it's clear. Okay, there you have it. That's a different wheel design. Okay, kind of off-road thing. It is bigger, beefier, rubber threaded tires as compared to the stock ones. Okay, there you have it. Okay, there are a couple of ways to remove the tires and the wheels. Okay, first off, okay, the model is secured. The base is secured with 2 screws here and here. Okay, oh, okay, the license plate fell off. Okay, from the rear bumper. Okay, there's a small tab there. Yeah. Okay, set that one aside. Okay, as I've said, only the base is secured by 2 screws. Okay, here and here. So you could easily detach the base from the model itself, but I prefer not to, because you could easily remove the tires by just simply twisting them. Okay, if you just twist the tires, okay, you could easily remove them. Okay, there you have it. Okay, and slide the axle off. Okay, there you have it. And we'll do the rear part. Okay, while I'm doing this, okay, I'd like to remind you to visit my Facebook and Instagram pages for more diecast pics and reels of various different diecast models. Okay, so there you have it. Once again, when handling this 1/64 scale models, okay, please do exercise caution because they have some fragile plastics on this one. Okay, it's like these rock sliders. Okay, see, kind of bent them a little, so while removing the tires. Okay, so please do, so you won't break any stuff. Okay, now that the wheels are off, okay, let's take a closer look as we compare both wheels. Okay, on the sides, okay, as you can see, on the right side are the stock ones, and on the left side are the beefier ones. Okay, wheel design. Okay, these are the stock Suzuki wheels. Okay, these are like, I don't know, kind of like American racing design. I don't know what these are. Well, if you do know this wheel design, okay, please do comment down below what do you think these are. Okay, anyway, this one's nice. Okay, so now what we're going to do is remove the axles from the wheels and place them here. Okay, to remove the wheels, the stock wheels from the axles, okay, you might want to use some pliers just like this one. Okay, and slowly twist them. So, okay, just like that. And now to remove, we're going to place the new, or rather the beefier ones. Okay, just let them inside here. Okay, okay, now we're going to do the other one. Okay, and do apply some pressure so that the axles will slide into. Okay, now that they're inside, I'm going to place them back here. Okay, okay, there you have it. Then you get the other wheel and just let it slide into the axle. Okay, and put some pressure on it. Okay, and we'll do the other one. If it's hard, okay, you just do a little twisting so they just slide into. Okay, now we'll get the other one. Okay, so there you have it. Ooh, and that looks good. Okay, we're gonna set all the stock tires. Okay, so now the Jimny is now sporting beefier off-road tires. Okay, do some press, do a little pressure. Okay, press them, apply a little pressure. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, now we got beefier tires on stock height. Okay, now here's a trick. As I've said, accessories pouch came with 2 screws. Okay, now we're going to lift this Suzuki Jimny. How we're going to do that? Okay, as you can see, aside from the 2 screws holding the base, okay, also came with this 2 screws here. Okay, just replace the screws with this longer one. Okay, to give the model a little lift. Okay, okay, I'm gonna set aside the screw. Okay, let's do this. You just loosen the screw a little bit. Okay, there you have it. And as you can see, the stock screws are shorter than this one. Okay, these are the longer ones. Okay, I don't know, it's clear. Oh shucks, doesn't stand, don't seem to cooperate. Okay, okay, there you have it. Okay, as you can see, I don't know if it's clear. Yes, that's it. On your left are the stock ones, and these are the longer screws that came with accessories pack. Okay, I'm going to put the longer screws in here. Okay, and okay, something wrong with this. Okay, magnetic screwdriver that I have. Okay, anyway, just let it in the hole. Okay, so as you can see, this is now higher. Okay, see, you can see the front has the longer screws and the rear one has the stock shorter screws. Okay, so we're going to do the rear one also. I think this will be my second to the last video for 2024, and hopefully you get to join me next year for more diecast videos. Okay, and maybe my last video will be, I think I'm going to feature, I'm going to unbox a newer model from Tomica. Okay, okay, so there you have it. Okay, lifted version. Okay, since I mentioned my video, okay, I think we're going to unbox and take a closer look at this models. Okay, this is from Tomica. These are new models for 2024, and I think it's just right and proper that we do our last video for 2024 featuring this one. Okay, so better do watch out for that. Okay, now going back to this one. Okay, oh, failed to attach. Okay, the 5th wheel. Okay, we're going to attach it here. Okay, now there you have it, the Suzuki Jimny with beefier, bigger off-road tires. Okay, And also included in the accessories pack are these tubular bumpers. Okay, kind of prefer the stock ones. Okay, because the stock ones do have signal lights in front. Okay, and also the tail lights, the detailed ones. Okay, here at the back. Okay, so prefer to keep them. Okay, and why don't we try putting roll cage? Okay, kind of looks good, but I still prefer it without. Okay, kind of looks good, but okay. Now, there you have it. Okay, thank you for joining me as we place the accessories on this Suzuki Jimny, and I'll leave this on the turntable for everyone to see. And thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.